D'Angelo Russell is playing pretty good basketball for the Nets. He had 16 points, 10 assists, and 7 rebounds in this game. Nice double-double. And I'm interested in these Nets games because of that draft pick that went to the Cavs. It's pretty sad that Jeremy Lin got injured because the Nets would have been so much better with him in the lineup. But they're playing pretty decent right now. Nice bounce pass in transition to finish the break and one. And I think the Lakers made a mistake trading him. I know that he was a distraction. He did cause some issues with the team. He got involved in some drama, and look at that cheese. Is somebody gonna refund that guy? Or are you gonna give that guy another drink? Give that guy a drink. That's a new saying. But with a talent like Russell, I think you just have to put up with that nonsense because they drafted him. He was the number 2 overall pick. And just imagine him on the lineup right now. Brook Lopez, he's doing all right. But I don't know. I think it would have been better if he was still a Laker. Look at that and one. As the Nets are they're killing the Hawks at home. They're playing pretty good basketball here. We've got one more quarter to play to decide who's going to win today. Missed layup, tipped, rebound, another block. Look at this chaos. It creates a fast break. The Hawks trying to get back a pump fake. Rahman accidentally for the splash. It's a 2-point game. All of a sudden, another pump fake. A step back with the defense in his face. Bellinelli with Russell looking. But then look at that assist into the corner. Splash. That is a big shot. As we're winding down into the clutch, Schroder will not go away. Oh, he rolls the ankle there. That hurts. Take a look at the replay. He steps on the foot. Ooh, that always hurts right there because, oh man, in midair, look at that. He had to be helped off. And with such little time in this game, he did not return. We'll see if it's a serious injury later. Russell in the clutch. He's hitting shots. The Nets are going to take this.
That we need you to carry yourself more appropriately, especially when you're in front of those cameras.
What are these guys talking about? I can't wear my shoes anyway. I don't care.
Man, forget this. Forget you, man. I'm DJ. You need me.
His loss.
I'm gone, Brian.